In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an UGC ad with AI like this one.
I absolutely love this serum. It makes my skin feel so hydrated and look radiant.
So, first of all, we need to go to novoads.ai. The link is going to be below in the comment section, and here you need to create an account. Now, when you have created the account, you will arrive here. And here, we need to go to the video section. Now, the prompt that we are going to use is this one that will be in the comment section. So now we have to click here to select our product. Here is the product. So now I'm going to click here. Now we will go to settings, and in model, I'm going to change it to Click 3. This is because it's a little bit cheaper. So now in the duration, I want the video to be 9 seconds, for example, and in the aspect ratio, I want to do a vertical video, so 9:16 is correct. So now we need to click here. Here there is an advice, so let's click here, and now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. Perfect, the video is here, so let's see it.
I absolutely love this serum. It makes my skin feel so hydrated and look radiant.
Well, as you can see, the video is really good. It looks realistic. The audio is great. So if you want to do a video like this one, you can try Novo Ads for just $1. And if you have any doubts, you can comment below in the comment section. See you in the next video.